Hello guys, my name is Aman and today in this video we are going to talk about Prodigy Finance, a UK based company that offers education loans to students across the countries to study in the top institutions in the world. And good thing about them is that they can offer you loan without collateral and without co-applicant. You are hearing me right, you can get a loan without collateral, without co-applicant, purely based on your profile. Now, how they are able to do it and what are the other parameters? So they do it because their process, they have defined the process in such a way that while they evaluate the application, they evaluate whether the student will be able to repay the loan or not by himself or herself, and that's why they don't care about if whether you have a property to back your loan or whether you have the co-applicant or not. How much is the interest rate? So the interest rate, I won't say an interest rate, there is a different term that they use that is called annual percentage rate. Now this rate varies from 6.7% to 11%. Let's first understand what exactly is this term and how is it different from the interest rate we hear generally. When we talk about education loan, we talk about interest rate, we talk about processing fee separately. But what happens in Prodigy Finance, that the annual percentage rate that they mention, it includes all the expenses that a student needs to bear for that particular education loan. That means even the processing fee is included in the annual percentage rate and is distributed among the months, and the final number that comes out is the annual percentage rate that you need to pay to them on your education loan. So these loans are in USD or in euro or in any other currency depending on which country you are going to study in. These are not INR loans, that means you won't get the money in INR. So this annual percentage rate is not directly comparable to the Indian lenders offering loans in INR. So that is something that you should keep in mind. But apart from that, the process is completely online. That means you don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to submit any physical documents to get the loan done. How would you know whether you are eligible for a Prodigy Finance education loan or not? There is a list of colleges and courses for which they offer this without collateral, without co-applicant loan. Now, to check if you are eligible for an education loan with Prodigy Finance, what you can do is simply get in touch with Gyandhan team by checking the loan eligibility on our website. Once you get in touch with us, we ask you that okay, hey, which college you are going to, which course you are going to, and we'll let you know that okay, which is the best lender you can get loan from, including Prodigy Finance. Let's say if you don't have a property and if you don't have a co-applicant, in that case we evaluate your profile to check if you are eligible for a loan from the Prodigy Finance or not. If you are eligible, then we make an account on your behalf on their website and share the credentials with you, ask you to complete the entire application. Once the entire application is filled, within few days you get the decision whether the loan is approved or not. In the entire process, while filling up the form, if you face any problem, or let's say if you are facing a problem around what to upload, what not to upload, so the Gyandhan Education Loan Counselor will be there to help you out in filling up this form. Once approved, then we also help you in the disbursement process. We help in the further contract signature and everything. So if you are looking for an education loan, that too without collateral, without co-applicant, check with Gyandhan and we will let you know if you are eligible for that or not. Thanks a lot.